Good morning, student. Today we are discuss about our lesson combustion and flame. Yesterday we seen about calorific value. What is the calorific value? The amount of heat energy produced. The amount of heat energy produced to complete combustion of 1 kg fuel. 1 kg it's a unit fuel. So here the amount of heat energy produced by after completing combustion of a 1 kg fuel is called the calorific value. 1 kg fuel के लिए जितनी हीट एनर्जी प्रोड्यूस होती है आफ्टर कंबस्शन उस पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू को हम कैलोरिफिक वैल्यू कहेंगे. इट्स अ यूनिट वैल्यू ऑफ कैलोरिफिक of any substance by completing combustion. That value is expressed. Calorific value are expressed in a unit. That unit is kilojoule per kg. So the value of calorific value expressed in a unit as a kilojoule per kg. So today's our topic is a burning of fuels lead to the harmful produce. So you know about that a fuel is a like material that react with oxygen, and after reaction it get produce a lot of heat energy and light. So that fuels after burning of the fuels leads to harmful product. After burning of any fuels it produces a lots of harmful products. So first we see first harmful product. Carbon fuels like wood, coal and petroleum release unburned carbon particles. After burning any carbon fuel such as a charcoal, wood, coal and petroleum release a unburned carbon particle. It's not a burn completely. After complete combustion, some particles are unburned and that unburned particle are released into the air after any carbon fuels are burned. These fine particles are a dangerous pollutant causing a respiratory diseases such as asthma. When that unburned carbon particle are entered through our respiratory system in our body, it's affected on our health and it causes the many diseases such as asthma. So that dangerous pollutant, which are the dangerous pollutant from the carbon fuels, that is the unburned carbon particle. That unburned carbon particle are enter in our respiratory system. It's cause the many respiratory diseases such as asthma. Next point, incomplete combustion of these fuels gives carbon monoxide gas. It is a very poisonous gas. Incomplete combustion of this fuel. This fuel means carbon fuels. So, this carbon fuels, that incomplete combustion of this fuel gives a carbon monoxide gas. That carbon fuels are after combustion, it also gives carbon monoxide gas. It is a very poisonous gas. Carbon monoxide is a very poisonous gas. It is a dangerous to burn coal in the closed room. When we are burned in a closed room, in a dark room, any coal material, it produces a gases. That gas is a carbon monoxide gas. The carbon monoxide gas produced can kill person sleeping in the room, and that closed room are totally filled with the carbon monoxide gas, and in this room any person can sleeping, they can kill by this gas. So here we assume that it's a very dangerous for kill any person. So after completing any carbon combustion or any carbon or a coal material, it produces carbon, some unburned carbon material, and also it produces a gas. That gas is a carbon monoxide gas, and it's a main very dangerous because when any closed room, that gas is totally filled in this room, it's kill any person when they sleep in that room. So second point is clear. Next point, combustion of most fuel release the carbon dioxide in the environment. Some fuels are combustion, and after combustion it also produces a carbon dioxide gas in the environment. Increase the concentration of carbon dioxide in the air believe in a cause of global warming. You know about global warming? What is a global warming? A gradual increases in the overall temperature of Earth atmosphere, generally attributed to the greenhouse effect caused by the increasing level of CO2, and that CO2 is increases by that such a fuel's combustion. So after combustion of that fuels, it increasing a CO2 level. When increasing CO2 level, it causes the global warming, and after it's caused the global warming, in this global warming it's affected on overall atmosphere of the earth. So our environment, the level of CO2 are increasing, it means it's affected on overall earth caused by global warming. Fourth point, burning of coal and diesel releases sulfur dioxide. First we see when carbon are burned, it produces a carbon particle. It's a harmful product. In second point we see when carbon product, when coal, any coal material or a fuel are burned, they produce a carbon monoxide gas, and that gas is a very dangerous for human health. Third point, in third point we see the combustion of most fuels, it produces the CO2 to the air, it's released to the air, and after releasing in the air, that percentage of CO2 are increases in our atmospheric air. So when the CO2 is increases in atmosphere, it's increase the overall temperature of the earth. When temperature of earth is increases, it causes the global warming. Now the fourth point is burning of coal and diesel releases a sulfur dioxide. Any coal material are burned or a diesel is burned, it releases the sulfur dioxide gas to the air. It is the extremely suffocating and corrosive gas. Sulfur dioxide is a suffocating and corrosive gas. Moreover, petrol engines give off gaseous oxide of nitrogen. Petrol's engines gives off gaseous oxide of nitrogen. That oxide of sulfur and nitrogen dissolve with the rainwater. Here we see from the vehicle, petrol engines gives the gaseous oxide, and that gaseous oxide, oxides of nitrogen, it's also released in the air. And coal and diesel's burning, it also releases the sulfur dioxide. That sulfur dioxide and nitrogen, oxide of nitrogen, are dissolved in a rainwater, and after it dissolve in rainwater, it form a acid. सच अ रेन इज कॉल्ड एसिड रेन. जब सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड कहाँ से आया? जब कोल और डीजल बर्न होते हैं, आफ्टर बर्निंग कोल एंड डीजल इट प्रोड्यूसेस सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड, और यही सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एयर में मिक्स होती है. सेकेंड थिंग वी सी, जो पेट्रोल्स के इंजन है, उस इंजन्स के थ्रू जो हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर्म होते हैं, नाइट्रोजन के हाइड्रोक्साइड फॉर्म होते हैं, वो नाइट्रोजन के हाइड्रोक्साइड और सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड दोनों भी अगर रेन वाटर के साथ डिज़ोल्व होते हैं तो एसिड को फॉर्म करते हो, और यही एसिड को, इसी एसिडिक वाटर को हम क्या कहेंगे? एसिड रेन. So such a rain is called a acid rain. It is a very harmful for a crop, building and soil. अगर यही एसिड रेन किसी पर्टिकुलर बिल्डिंग्स पे अगर आप देखते हो, गिरती हुई देखते हो, तो उस पर उसका बहुत सारा इफेक्ट होता है, येलोइश कलर के पैच वहाँ पे फॉर्म होते हैं. एंड एसिड रेन इज वेरी harmful for agricultural area and also the soil. So here we see the 4 points, the 4 harmful products that form by burning of fuels. Next topic is deforestation and global warming. We discuss the next video. So today we are discuss about burning of fuel leads to harmful product, that the 4 products are formed. First is a unburned carbon particle, second is carbon monoxide gas, third is third is by carbon dioxide gas, it's caused by the global warming, and fourth point is that acid rains are formed, and that acid rain are very harmful for the crop production area, agricultural area, buildings and historical buildings and soil.